What if I told you there are companies out there poised for explosive growth, just waiting for you to get in on the action? That's right, today we're diving headfirst into the world of growth stocks, uncovering two hidden gems that could make a huge impact on your portfolio. We're talking about a dominant force in the social media landscape connecting billions of users worldwide. And then there's this underdog, a platform known for its passionate communities and authentic engagement. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one, all the way till the end. Because by the time we're done, you'll be ready to hit that buy button with confidence. Don't forget to hit the like button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this one. Share the video and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. First up, we're taking a deep dive into Meta Platforms, formerly known as Facebook with ticker symbol META. This tech giant has been a household name for years, but they're not just resting on their laurels. They're pushing boundaries and redefining what it means to connect in the digital age. Now, I know what you're thinking. Facebook, isn't that the platform where your parents post embarrassing photos and political rants? Isn't that like 2010? And yeah, you're right, the platform itself might not be the newest kid on the block. But trust me on this one, Meta is playing the long game, and they're doing it with two powerful words, the metaverse. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a vision for the future. But trust me on this one, Meta is playing the long game, and they're doing it with two powerful words, the metaverse. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a vision for the future. We're talking about a fully immersive digital world where you can work, play, and connect with friends and family like never before. Imagine a space where the physical and digital worlds blend seamlessly. Imagine attending a virtual concert with your friends from across the globe, or stepping into a virtual meeting room where you can actually feel like you're in the same room as your colleagues. The possibilities are endless. That's the power of the metaverse, and Meta is betting big on it. They're investing billions of dollars and countless hours of research into making this vision a reality. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Building the metaverse is a massive undertaking. It's like constructing an entirely new universe from scratch. It's going to take time, resources, and a whole lot of innovation, but Meta has never shied away from a challenge. But here's the thing. Meta has a track record of defying expectations. They've consistently pushed the envelope and redefined the digital landscape. Remember when everyone thought Facebook was just a fad for college kids? Look at them now. They've got the user base, they've got the technology, and most importantly, they've got Mark Zuckerberg, a visionary leader who's not afraid to take risks. Look at them now. They've got the user base, they've got the technology, and most importantly, they've got Mark Zuckerberg, a visionary leader who's not afraid to take risks. His bold moves have often been met with skepticism, but time and again, he's proven the naysayers wrong, and that's what makes Meta so exciting. They're not just riding the wave of social media, they're creating the next wave. They're setting the stage for the future of digital interaction. But it's not just about the metaverse. Meta also owns Instagram and WhatsApp, two of the most popular social media platforms on the planet. These platforms are integral to their strategy. Think about it. Billions of users scrolling through their feeds every single day, engaging with content, clicking on ads. That's a gold mine of data, and Meta knows how to use it. They're constantly refining their algorithms, targeting users with laser-like precision, and generating billions in ad revenue. This data-driven approach is what sets them apart, and that's not even mentioning their push into e-commerce and online shopping. Meta is building an ecosystem, a one-stop shop for all your online needs. From social interaction to shopping, they're creating a seamless digital experience. And as they continue to innovate and expand, their growth potential is nothing short of staggering. The sky's the limit for what they can achieve. Meta Platforms, the tech giant behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, continues to show strength in its financials, boasting a market cap of $1.49 trillion and an impressive earnings per share of $26.51. With a price-to-earnings ratio of 22.51 and a revenue total of $164.5 billion for 2024, the company also posted a solid net income of $62.36 billion. Although its dividend yield sits at a modest 0.34%, the numbers overall paint a picture of robust performance. In the first quarter alone, Meta reported year-over-year revenue growth of over 16% and net income surged by more than 34%. Despite this, some analysts still consider the stock undervalued, pointing to long-term potential, especially with Meta's significant investments in artificial intelligence. These AI initiatives are expected to fuel new growth, particularly in advertising and user engagement, areas where Meta already dominates. Investor sentiment has also been buoyed by a wave of analyst upgrades. Following Meta's latest earnings report, many analysts raised their price targets, signaling strong confidence in the company's future trajectory. Meta's momentum is also tied to a broader tech sector recovery, aided by strong corporate earnings and hopes for easing trade tensions globally. Leadership moves further highlight the company's ambitions. the appointment of Robert Fergus, formerly of Google DeepMind, to head Meta's AI research lab signals a firm commitment to becoming a leader in next-gen AI technologies. But it's not all smooth sailing. Meta's Reality Labs division, responsible for metaverse development, continues to raise concerns. The unit has racked up heavy losses, prompting skepticism about the viability and strategic value of those investments. Overall, Meta's recent performance has been a mix of impressive financial results, bold moves in AI, and the overhang of Reality Labs' high costs. Even with some recent declines in share price amid broader market volatility, analysts remain largely optimistic. The prevailing view is that Meta is well positioned for long-term growth, especially if its AI bets begin to pay off. Now, I know some of you might be hesitant to invest in Meta. They've had their fair share of controversies, and there's always the risk that they could lose their grip on the social media landscape. But here's the thing, Meta is a company that learns from its mistakes. They're constantly adapting, evolving, and finding new ways to stay ahead of the curve. Their ability to pivot and innovate is what keeps them at the forefront of the tech industry. And with their massive resources and unwavering commitment to innovation, I'm confident that Meta will continue to be a major player in the tech world for years to come. Their vision for the future is both ambitious and inspiring. So, if you're looking for a growth stock with massive potential, Meta Platforms is definitely worth a closer look. Their journey is just beginning and the future looks incredibly bright. Alright, moving on to our second growth stock, and this one's a personal favorite of mine. Reddit, ticker symbol RDDT, the self-proclaimed front page of the internet. Now, Reddit might not have the same flashy name recognition as Meta, but don't let that fool you. This platform is a sleeping giant, and it's only a matter of time before it wakes up and takes the world by storm. So what exactly is Reddit? Imagine a massive online forum where people from all walks of life come together to discuss everything under the sun. From news and politics to sports and gaming, from finance and investing to memes and cat videos, Reddit has something for everyone. But what makes Reddit truly special is its community-driven nature. Unlike other social media platforms where the focus is on influencers and curated content, Reddit is all about authentic conversations and user-generated content. People flock to Reddit to connect with like-minded individuals, share their passions, and engage in meaningful discussions. It's a place where you can be yourself, geek out over your favorite hobbies, and find a sense of belonging that's hard to come by in the often superficial world of social media. Now, you might be wondering, okay, that's cool and all, but how does this translate into financial success? Well, here's the thing. Reddit's unique community structure creates an incredibly engaged user base. We're talking about millions of users who are passionate about the platform and spend hours upon hours browsing their favorite subreddits. That kind of engagement is a goldmine for advertisers, and Reddit is just starting to scratch the surface of its monetization potential. They've already rolled out several successful advertising products, and as they continue to refine their targeting and ad formats, their revenue is poised to explode. But it's not just about advertising. Reddit is also exploring other revenue streams, such as premium memberships and virtual goods. And with their recent acquisition of Dubsmash, a popular short-form video app, they're making a bold move into the world of video content. Now, I know some of you might be skeptical. Reddit has been around for a while, and they haven't exactly taken over the world yet. But here's the thing. Reddit has been intentionally flying under the radar, focusing on building a strong foundation and cultivating a loyal community. But now, with a fresh injection of capital from their recent IPO, Reddit is ready to step into the spotlight and unleash its full potential. They're investing heavily in product development, user growth, and international expansion. And with their finger on the pulse of internet culture, I have no doubt that Reddit will continue to attract new users and solidify its position as a major player in the social media landscape. So if you're looking for a growth stock with a unique value proposition, a passionate community, and massive upside potential, Reddit is definitely worth adding to your watch list. The platform's ability to foster genuine connections and discussions is unparalleled. This is what sets Reddit apart from other social media giants. The authenticity and depth of interaction on Reddit are what keep users coming back. And as more people seek out genuine online communities, Reddit's user base will only continue to grow. So keep an eye on Reddit. It's not just a forum, it's a movement. And this movement is poised to make waves in the tech and investment world. With its unique blend of community and commerce, Reddit is a stock that could redefine the future of social media. With a market cap of just over $20 billion, the company reported a strong first quarter for 2025, showing a 61% year-over-year increase in revenue, reaching $392 million. This marks Reddit's third straight quarter of over 60% revenue growth, driven largely by a booming advertising segment. The advertising business saw a parallel 61% jump, underscoring broad-based strength across various ad channels. Reddit also hit a major milestone by achieving 𝗗𝗜𝗦𝗖𝗢𝗏 profitability, pulling in $26 million in net income for the quarter. That kind of financial performance has not gone unnoticed. Analysts responded positively, upgrading their outlooks on the stock, particularly due to strong ad revenue and a promising path toward monetization. Reddit's average revenue per user still trails behind competitors, suggesting plenty of room for growth. Analysts are especially optimistic about the company's international expansion, where ad revenue climbed an impressive 83% year over year. Reddit is also working to improve the user experience with enhanced search capabilities and AI-powered features designed to boost engagement and retention. However, the good news hasn't come without turbulence. The stock saw some pullback after the earnings report, driven by market concerns over how Google's search algorithm changes might affect Reddit's traffic. And when well-known investor Josh Brown publicly disclosed he had sold his position in Reddit, it only added to the market unease. Still, the overall picture remains largely positive. Reddit is showing strong top-line growth, making strategic moves to expand its global footprint, and improving its platform through innovation. While market volatility and external factors like search engine dynamics continue to pose short-term risks, the long-term outlook appears optimistic. Investors and analysts alike will be keeping a close eye on how Reddit navigates these challenges and capitalizes on its growth opportunities in the months ahead. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Reddit offers a compelling opportunity. Don't miss out on this chance to be part of something truly transformative. Add Reddit to your watch list today and watch as this sleeping giant awakens. If you're enjoying these stock tips and you're ready to level up your investing skills, I've got something game-changing for you. Imagine having the knowledge and confidence to make informed investment decisions that can significantly impact your financial future. I've just relaunched my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, designed to teach you the exact principles used by investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. This course is a comprehensive guide that breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-understand lessons. But this isn't just theory. You'll learn how to spot undervalued companies using real-world metrics, build a high-quality portfolio, and protect your investments, no matter what the market throws at you. We dive deep into practical strategies that you can apply immediately. Whether you're just starting out or want to sharpen your strategy, this course gives you the tools and confidence to grow real, long-term wealth. It's perfect for anyone looking to take control of their financial destiny. It's packed with step-by-step lessons, powerful insights, and practical strategies you won't find anywhere else. Each module is designed to build on the previous one, ensuring you have a solid foundation before moving on to more advanced topics. So if you're serious about investing smarter and building a future you're proud of, click the link in the description and pinned comment to join today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your investing approach. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Imagine looking back a few years from now, knowing you made the right choice to invest in your financial education. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, look no further. Join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our community is filled with like-minded individuals who are passionate about making smart investment choices. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. You'll gain access to exclusive content that's not available anywhere else. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. It's a place where you can learn, share, and grow together. Link is in the description. Don't wait. Take the first step towards a brighter financial future today. Now tell me, which of these two growth stocks are you most bullish on? Meta's metaverse ambitions or Reddit's community-driven approach? Both have unique strengths and potential for growth. Let me know in the comments below. I'm eager to hear your thoughts and engage in a lively discussion. Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. See you in the next one.